It was no questions. We were going Caterpillar Dozers. Here on Callide mine, we aim for around 10 million tonne a year kind of target. That comprises of 3 active mining areas currently. So we've got Boundary Hill, and over here at Callide, we've got Trap Gully, and also here at the D-cut or the main area. We've got 20 dozers all up. Out of those, we've got 8 D11s, and then we've got 12 D10s.
We've recently introduced dozer push back into Batchfires, and they're predominantly around bulk push, setting up benches for the drag lines. That's to optimise the drag line fully, make sure they're efficient in what they're doing. It just makes them more productive by having the D11s in front of them, so we expose more coal and able to progress the plan a lot quicker.
The D11Ts and D10Ts that we purchased are essentially replacing older version D11 and D10R. We've got an efficiency gain of up to 10% on the new style engines in the D11Ts. Obviously that shows our focus and our push towards getting better emissions targets and things like that. With the new D10s and the new D11s, the improvements in the comfort in the cab, quieter cabs, more refinement, less vibration. Caterpillar always work hard to make sure that all those things and all the comfort levels for the operators are at the absolute best. The dozers have cat terrain enabled in them, and with cat terrain obviously you've got the ability to map out what we need the operator to do in a dozer.
We upload mine plans into them, and we've put ramps in recently using that system within 30 mil of the design. I mean, that's excellent. It takes a bit of pressure away from having people on the ground exposing them to additional hazards. It stops the rework, because if you can do the job properly once and get it right, you don't have to come back and redo work.
They get the job done right the first time. If we put a plan in, they work to the plan, they finish the plan, and it's done. Being in Billawheeler, our relationship with Hastings here in Rockhampton is crucial. And with that, the product support we get, we've got a product support rep on site that helps us with all of our issues and problems. Our journey with Caterpillar and Hastings has been a long one with dozers. Caterpillar dozers are cut above. They're always reliable, easy to work on. They always hit their AV targets. It was no questions. We were going Caterpillar dozers.